Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
My love, 11:02 on the clock and you are back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang may kwentuhang sakto, may sagutang klaro at may puntong diretso. My love, ngayon didiretso muna tayo sa ating Byahe Sender of the night. Ipagpatawad na ninyo kasi maraming nakabara sa lalamunan ko. So hindi natin kaya mag-ano muna 30 seconds of fame. So eto na nga ay mula sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Basahin na natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the night. Ito po ang biyahe ni Errol. Hi Lala Banderas. Good evening po. Ako po si Errol or Errol Sobrevega. Ako'y 15 anyos pero may bumabagabag sa aking puso. Ako po ay isang gay. Tanggap po ako ng aking mga magulang. Ngunit ang taong gusto ko po ay hindi ako tanggap. 4 years ko na po siyang crush. Marami na rin pong mga nangyari. At lagi po kaming classmates kahit ngayong kakasimula pa lang ng face-to-face kaklase ko siya. Ngunit ako po ay laging galit at nagseselos tuwing may kinakausap siyang iba. Kahit crush ko lang po siya. At alam niya rin po yon. Opo, nakikisabay siya malimit pag ako'y binibiro ng mga kaklase ko. Pero ngayon po, inalis ko na po yung lahat yung feelings ko sa kanya dahil sabi po ng isa kong kaibigan, don't force yourself to someone to choose you. Kaibigan mo Don't force yourself to choose you. Ano ba to kaibigan mo? Pero at least na-gets mo yung point. Namula yung mukha ako, nagulat ako eh. Yeah, don't force yourself to choose you. Tama po ba yung ginawa ko? Na ngayon po, siya naman ang naghahabol sa akin. Salamat po DJ Lala. Lagi po ako nakikinig sa inyo. God bless po. Hindi ko na magawang tumawa. Kasi nilagyan mo ako ng God bless sa dulo. Ikaw talaga. Ito si Errol no? Pero one thing is for sure, hindi man tama yung sentence construction ng kaibigan mo. Tama yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Don't force yourself to someone. Don't force someone to choose you. Hindi mo pwedeng ipagpilitan yung sarili mo sa isang tao unless piliin ka din niya. You cannot force someone to like you. You cannot force someone to love you. And putting yourself in that position, that vulnerable position, whenever you fall in love, whenever you like someone, ginagawa mong vulnerable yung sarili mo for people that are looking for someone to take advantage of. Nagigets mo ko, my love? Kasi parang ganito yan eh. Ginugusto lang kita, sinasakyan lang kita, kasi alam kong gusto mo ko. So kukunin ko muna yung lahat ng pwede kong kunin from you. Lahat ng pag-aalaga, siguro from time to time, I don't know if this one still works. Ikaw gagawa ng assignment ko, lilibre mo ko ng recess, libre mo ko ng pamasahe pa uwi. Ikaw bumili ng, alam mo yun, yung tawag dun? Yung one whole sheet of paper pag nag-exam tayo, o kukopya ako sa'yo. Things like that, my love. I don't want you to be taken advantage because of putting yourself in a vulnerable state like that. Okay lang naman, my love, that you like someone. Walang problema doon. Walang masama doon. But if you are gonna be like this, kung ganito ka mai-in love, you love so hard na hindi mo makontrol yung emotions mo. To con your own term, nagagalit ka kasi nagseselos ka kahit wala pang kayo. My love, wag mong i-nurture yung ganyang ugali. I've seen that before. I've stayed with someone na may ganyan. I was his first. So I gave him the benefit of the doubt. Na hindi pa siya marunong. Sabi ko, baka immature pa lang to. Kasi ako yung una niya eh. Ako yung unang girlfriend. 4 years passed by. At sa 4 na taon na yon, hindi siya nag-mature. Dahil hindi ko siya pinigilan, dahil walang nagsabi sa kanya ng tamang way on how to control that emotion, on how to control his feelings. Naging lamon na lamon siya ng jealousy. Lagi siyang galit. Yun nga. From time to time nananakit. Because he cannot control yung emotions niya. And I don't want you to be like that. It's good na tanggap ka ng mga parents mo. It's good na you are not keeping yourself inside of the closet just to fit in sa mga ka-schoolmate mo. You are not afraid para aminin yung nararamdaman mo to someone when you feel like you feel something for them, hindi ikaw yung tipo ng taong nagsashy away at itinatago yung nararamdaman mo. Those are good qualities, my love. Pero anything na sobra ay masama. So, my love, kung naghahabol siya ngayon, please try to be mature enough to understand why. Ba't ka ba niya hinahabol? Is it because na-realize niyang mahal ka niya? Na-realize niyang gusto ka niya? O na-realize niyang mas madali yung buhay niya nung gusto mo siya? Nagigets mo yung point ko, my love? 15 years old, bata ka pa, mahal ko. Batang-bata ka pa. Naiintindihan ko to eh. Tong stage na to. I'm not gonna tell you that that is not love. I'm not gonna tell you na hindi valid yung nararamdaman mo kasi valid yan. Wala akong pakialam kung itagyan ng tao as puppy love, young love, whatever it is that will make them sleep at night. Bala na sila sa label. Basta alam ko, valid yung nararamdaman mo. Kaya I am telling you, before you jump in, back again, to that whatever relationship you've had before with this person, just make sure na he is back for the reason that you want. Not because he is trying to deceive you or he is trying to take advantage of you. Kasi like I said, gusto ko pag binalikan ka niya, gusto ko pag lumapit siya sa'yo kasi naramdaman niyang importante ka sa kanya. Hindi lang dahil kailangan ka niya. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Stick with your friends. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, maliman yung sentence construction ng kaibigan mo. Nasa tama yung puso niya. At nag-iisip siya. You need friends like that in this world. Friends that will not tolerate you just because kinikilig sila para sa'yo. Friends that will not let you burn yourself just because gusto nilang magpaka-supportive. Kahit alam nilang nagkakamali ka na. You need friends like that in this world. Friends that will tell you when to stop. Kasi alam nilang you have to. Give it time, my love. Hayaan mong i-prove niya muna yung sarili niya na worthy of your attention, worthy of you. Pero ikaw, while he is trying to prove himself to you, I want you to make yourself better. Naintindihan mo ko, mahal? Hindi na pwede yung nagagalit ka dahil nagsiselos ka. Hindi na pwedeng nagiging possessive ka to someone. Hindi pwedeng sa'yo niya lang pagalawin yung buong mundo niya kasi that is wrong. Even in relationship, lalong-lalo na kapag adult relationship, that shouldn't be the case. Nakakasakal yan. At nakakatakot yung ganyang klase ng pagmamahal. You have to know how to control. You have to know how to trust someone. You have to have faith in yourself once you enter any kind of relationship. Once na na-rediscover mo na yan, once na ayos mo na yung sarili mo, kapag nakapag-settle in ka na sa tamang version at tamang atake ng pagmamahal to that someone. At once na prove niya na yung sarili niya sa'yo, na he is not back just because kailangan ka niya, he is back because mahal ka niya, then my love, by all means, enjoy your youth. Enjoy this young love na tinatawag nila. Enjoy your first experience sa relationship. Pero hanggat hindi nyo pa yung naaayos sa isa't isa, create some space and discover yourself first. Hindi nyo kailangan magmadali. There's no need to rush. If para kayo sa isa't isa, my love, it may take time, but you guys will find your way back to each other's arm. Just give it time. Claro?